Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you an easy, delicious, Twisty style rice pudding recipe with almonds. This recipe is very quick to make, which takes only around 40 minutes, so let's get started. For this we will need 2 liters of full fat milk, out of which we will use 1.5 liters right now. So put 1.5 liter milk in a pan and let it boil. While it is boiling, make sure to keep mixing the milk so that it does not get burned. Once the milk has boiled, add 1.5 cups of soaked rice. Crush it with the help of your hand while you're putting it in milk. Then add 2/3 cup of crushed almonds. Make sure to keep mixing the milk while you add these ingredients. Add 2/3 cup of sugar. The reason why we want to keep mixing is that we don't want the milk to get burnt and get stuck on the pan. Once it starts to thicken and the rice gets softer, add 1 cup of heavy cream. Also, you would want to mash it every so often so that it becomes nice and creamy. And then add the remaining half liter of milk. Then we would want to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. After giving it a quick mix, leave it for 5 minutes. And our Twisty style rice pudding with almonds is ready to be served. Give this creamy nice dish a try and let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please do so and hit the bell icon to receive our new Twisty recipes every other day. Thank you.